Many years ago, had this soldering iron. This is probably 93, so it's probably, I don't know, 20 something, 25 years. It says Radio Shack here, so yeah, that should be around that era. 120 volts, 40 watts. So we shall see if it still works. I haven't used this in probably, I don't know, 15 plus years. I'm gonna try it. It sure beats trying to sort out with a needle, which I have to put up yet, and that doesn't work. So we'll see. I need to change over the switches in a mouse. This is the mouse I want to repair. The reason is it's particular shape I like and it's difficult to actually keep buying and changing those mice. They're relatively cheap, but just buy 2 or 3 at a time. But when they go, what happens is that this double clicks. It doesn't click the same like this one. So when you press down, it double clicks. That's when the button is starting to do. The buttons inside here are exactly the same. So you could switch the right click and left click one and essentially get a good bit more functionality, because when the left click double clicks, you get all kinds of stupid things happen. Right double clicking normally doesn't cause a problem. Right is normally a special function anyway, and you use it a lot less. So we'll open this. Hopefully the soldering iron works, and I will see if I can switch this out. We have no soldering pump, no wick, solder wick. So it's just going to be heat and pry. Inside of a mouse, basically what you have is a rotary encoder here, a switch here for pressing down. These 3 switches are identical. This is the left switch, obviously, and the right. So I'm going to switch left and right. This is also identical. I could also switch this one in. So this chip normally does the projection and the visual, and that's about it. Not much inside here. So it's a matter of desoldering this, and flipping them around. So things are going relatively good considering the primitive conditions I'm working under. Using one of these to pry, and I've managed to take out both of these switches and replace one. You have to do this quickly to make sure you don't mix it up. So yeah, I've replaced this one, and this is now the right is now in the left, and now what I have to do is clean up these holes a little and put this one back in. As I said, considering the primitive conditions, lack of anything proper, and soldering iron that's 25 years old, it's not going too bad. These switches have been replaced. This is just the optical element, and that is the LED. This is the optical device that basically shoots it and illuminates the area, and I guess that's a mini camera, and it works out pretty much how some items that it pegged move and determine how the mouse really move. That is basically how that works. So yeah, hopefully it's all sorted now. I'm gonna just put it back together, check it out, make sure it works.